I will not allow any individual to take MPP as his personal property.
This will be the first time you have a president who is an economist.
But Omani, you're economist and not a businessman.
You're here economist because economy no and a BMA businessman of flourishing.
Brand Agyapong or a madamfo or a minu kuma. Menino we go way back. Me de me catch any p one enim. Me catch any p say. Me de say Dr. Bawumia else was sanku biodia. Me mean to me support too. I told him say the idea wo na wow. O discuss mo o to scan egukwa.
Abusia sabe de video ni sebi surface online ya Agyapong Agyapong NPP4 camp emu ba ko ene credit ohene akompro Agyapong ya the bofu ye power to be a mani party for say NPP when you could obi entimi fa hye botom e fa hye personal property honorable Samuel Attecks so ababonten abetre say sabe bi aga na dina no ye hia obi a wo ye economist ye obi a oye businessman sabe ko na mu so na ahenkwan so to be edemane Dr. Agyapong say captain na so na wo mu kwa kopre no no e be ya ko pe be bi se nya de obewi ni na china kan ho wo tutu ne siga gu abokeke e na wo to ba park no tike be ya kamsa wo na aka no wo pe be bi na ofa ne support no enkonkoma sa ni pa no too much gh and ogus we ni go so a wo hwe mo akwa ba e de aba so na fe makai wo se e back setera e na asoma se ne medi e bro back setera e de ko wo ton bags bag papa de and run the back setera numbers no go screen ase obetimi wo mo edidi komo ma bag bia wo pe bia no wonsa etimi aka wo de omni KFC na edi enhwani mu ewo kaso akaba na busu ase ebo edi ewra yensem num dia by 31st January 2026 na sabe de NPP4 ewu nipa wo ba be di party no enim na no NDC4 akwa akopre na enumu ene opopie mu ewo camps ahodo na eho ehuye baba na se camps no ehuru no sabe ko na mu so na NPP party no emu so enyo ye kra se me no ka sei onabo kana kompa ko Agyapong busu ani bo afu ye pa ya babonten abetutu bi edema party leadership no ya wo kire se enyeme bi wo wa eya kochew ewo party no mu kame ye se obi di party no ahye ne kotokom na wo ye japade edema party na se owu kran he ya na wa ye yo ewo ne japade mu se party ne ye ne de ntini ma emfa onabo kana kopra ko Agyapong kire se party no eye enkofuko bi na de wo moja pre party this one to bia entime fa party ne chene botum se eyo makasa ne dia no wonye se ne wo pe anyesa ene NPP party wo beto mo kakanka aba wo de sa wo ne ekọ edema NPP no na Attecks so ejina fa a wo so kire ne Ghana ehia ene to se NPP4 de ne ba ebetimi abo wo man Ghana wo kire se wo man Ghana sa be be ejina no ye hia wo bia wo ye businessman bia no ba be di wo man ne de wo se ye hia wo bia na adwene mu edo wo dwene kwa chi wo daache me kire wo bia wo ye economics betimi adanda ne ma ama wo man Ghana etimi afa ne ntuma pa ede efebusia ye bekwa kotie ensem ni mienu aba na nye ahenkwa so kan ye no ye de ba beto aso.
Let them know who started MPP USA. We are not powerless. I will not allow any individual to take MPP as his personal property. It will happen. Whether here or Ghana, no individual can take MPP as his personal property. People died for MPP. People were killed. People lost their property. They lost everything they had. Where were they? Where were they? And today, they have the task to call people and threaten them. Let them dare and threaten them. It will never happen. You want free and fair election. Nobody can intimidate anyone. Even when they were in power, they could not intimidate me, and not today. It won't happen. For the sake of unity, I have swallowed my pride. I have swallowed my pride for the sake of unity. They shouldn't take me for granted. Exactly. It won't happen. We all have a voice. We speak like men.
And it's very sad. Wo na obebu obi umeswa. The vice president is supposed to give aid to the president. He's not supposed to subvert him and undermine what he's doing. So if you look at some of the issues, no, buy and be brain no. And I go for ne pen in your. But it will be very pathetic. Say go for because and friend saying yem fan your money fair muno Emma Bawumia swap because he said he was an economist. Now let me tell you what is going to happen. This will be the first time you have a president who is an economist. Opa ne ko ready from Kwame Nkrumah ebesi emra yiwomu. And nepe ano nyame behu ye mobo. Afe de ya na won kamu first year na mame no. Na ko 4% on the moko no. But that is the truth of the matter.
But Omani here economist and a businessman.
Ye here economist because economy no and a BMA businessman of flourishing. It won't take the dynamics of the economy nasia. Onia business won't flourish. It will be called running factory. It doesn't qualify him to be an economist. All the variables na ema economy e pejano. Papa kurade out. Say to me no e kurade out. And ya fe no be kan somebody is coming to second guess how to contain the value of the CD and the rest of it. And then be vice president, minimum you be vice president. Oba ka say ototo momone dia be she Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia a friend saying anum na osin ya na odema a friend say carpenter na odema dentist. Mumisa onyame chai ade ni ehui eno so yen kan say and ne Ghana baby we ope obi a wote tumia epeja omani sikasemu ase a me say by every permutation and analysis obi enu oben Dr. Mahmoud
Esa busiasa ensemi mienu ene free MPP4 e camp e banawei ena ahenkwa so e de ne de e beta so na wo kire se Brian Agyapong camp akanse na wo e kwakusi no Brian Agyapong e nipa ba ku bi wo no okasi na nimu plane enye plane fa se akanse na wo mo ko Brian Agyapong wutimi enimu kuni na ne sika no ena wo tugu kebentika be ya ene kena kopɛ ko Japan ne camp ho Dr. Muhammad Bawumia camp ho onabo ya wasɛ du camp ho kwabna Japan so e de wo be ya kasa camp si akai wo hwemu ba ko no fa ne support no enkwanko tai echi na ore ahenkwa no e wo Dr. Muhammad Bawumia camp se ne obetunu fo se be ya se na 2024 on Dr. Muhammad Bawumia ena na ehwibom no won sanre no me kan no mu na ehwibo yesa de ne obebi poto no ko dadwene ho awonte ase
So Mrasoja for 8 aka wo Eastern region no what do money to for mo he
Obia ne nam baby. Mienu pe na wo Brian ho.
Out of 23
Mesi mienu pe mi na me ka kire o mienu pe. Se me bo a wo mo a wo ho no mo meka mienu pe. Yewura a friend is saying. That's my ye kan ya.
right. So Mrasoja for 8 aka wo Eastern region no what do money to for mo he
Obia ne nam baby. Mienu pe na wo Brian ho.
Out of 23
Mesi mienu pe mi na me ka kire o mienu pe. Se me bo a wo mo a wo ho no mo meka mienu pe. Yewura a friend is saying. Kwame Aboaje. Obi a friend Uluwa or aseni manso across.
Oluwa minimum.
Yes. Any on one Eddie camp. Ye OPK. Opoku ansan owo ye
I didn't hear kasa with authority say
na me kasa with authority so a hwan we hu no wo se one nenenam hwan no apart from Aboaje any OPK nso kra no apa na okwabruchi no okoye ne 1212 enti no mienu pe na wo Brian Agyapong oye madamfo oye minu akuma meni no we go way back ye di nkombo hwe ebra oye na dwen so pese obegina na ye nto abama no obegina se opese obeye presidential candidate no ofe na mfofo a ene nenam no ye nyina ye kokuhia ode to ye nim se opese ogina me de me ka kire ni pi wonanim me ka kire ni pi se me de se Dr. Bawumia else wo san kobie dia me ntumi supporto and also wo kobie ntin me de me support there out ntumi fam support ma me de me support ama Dr. Bawumia enti no media me support de wunya jai de wo ye no I told him me say ase wa making ne nkofo oni omunam ni nyina no omunyina no munyina te hobi anya say emi ni edupe a group of friends emudodo na no edi na chi sisi no na omunyina te hobi. I told him say jai de wo ye no na emwa o discussion mu a o to scan agukwa nti jai yes
or say ni sika
onjai me say nyeso obi na ka kire no e na mete me na me ka kire onu I told him in his face nyeso bi a telephone so e wo onu anim ka kire ne say media me support o madam fonu minu akuma no me nu na ye bibia politics ya ye koi wa boa mi wom me ka say wo moa mi wo sika famu a na me boa na me nka no kore wa boa me ye nam a ye koba yi se ahokire ba ye so a wo boa yen ya ye ne titi ye no titi nyina dam se hwehwe ayivo o mani ma o de titi ho obia wa boa obia ni ho a wo boa
but o say ni sika
na adwuma we no enye wo dia enko
what me hwe nanim ka asase mo che
me say kofo na omu di na chi se si yi no omu ye former MPs and the
abusia ensemble and ya paputi amana message so buja comment our comment section or e dia mama na Bawumia subscriber team so all the social media platforms so for too much GH subscribe no like no share na afofo so e dey bia hwe bidin e the dark code background.